What it do, YouTube? This is your boy Richie back at it again with another video. Today we are doing something super dope. Today we are getting a carbon fiber piece. My seats are going to get installed, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And also with this video, we're getting the carbon fiber piece, we're getting the race seats, and today is my cousin. He's vlogging. Finally, he's vlogging for his channel. So make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel down below this video. Bruce did it. So make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel. He's getting his car chrome deleted, so it's gonna be awesome. And yeah, so whew, it's hot as shit today. I'm trying not to use too much of the AC, but fuck, I gotta turn this AC on because it is super hot. I'm gonna just come and grab me some drinks, something to eat, get the seats installed, get the carbon fiber piece, and we're gonna be vlogging to the big cousin. Got him on the YouTube grind, and like I told you guys, man, I'm all about seeing my family and friends win, and I want them to get into the YouTube thing, especially those that's into cars and got stuff to really show. I want them to do it, so I'm hella happy my cousin's doing it, and we're gonna be doing a lot of collaborations, man. We're gonna be doing that shit for real. So then he got Teslas, scat packs, all this shit, so it's gonna get crazy. Let me order my food real quick. Make sure you guys hit her up right now. Book it up.
A little beat right now.
Nah, you good. Just waking up, but she's still good. We're doing big things. My cousin's doing the chrome delete. You guys know Kitty. Make sure you guys go hit up Kitty, and make sure you guys hit her up because she's about to vinyl wrap my cousin's car. And right now we are actually working on his channel right now. So you guys go down below and make sure you guys go to the link under my description and make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel because I'm actually helping him out record for his channel right now as we speak. And yeah.
Yeah, y'all ain't really, you ain't doing nothing.
Facts.
Like, you got horsepower, you don't need something to stick to the ground.
You do. That's
you got
facts.
some little rinky dink, you put bitch ass tires like
That's true. Man,
if you gonna do this shit, do it right. That's my motto. Like,
hell yeah, that's what my partner Mike told me that work on my car. He always say, if you're gonna do something, do it the first time right. Just spend the right money, because if you half-ass it or if you go cheap, you're gonna eventually have to repay again, and you're gonna be paying more than
you measure twice,
you know,
and you cut once. That's
exactly.
the thing.
Facts.
You know, it's hot as fuck.
It's hot as fuck. I'm telling you.
Damn, nigga, turn that shit. Do it work.
Oh yeah, this shit
work.
Yeah, we don't do that dysfunctional shit.
Yeah. Because it's a race car, so usually niggas strip the whole shit down.
Right. So, yeah, that's true. That is true.
Oh, that's your Bluetooth speaker too?
Yeah, so no, this is the mic.
Yeah, the talk.
Yeah.
So like when you're talking on Bluetooth, they hear you good.
And I got my whole contacts right there and everything. But yeah, that shit crazy, man. Make sure you guys go follow my cousin. Go down below in the description. That you see that link. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my cousin right now. He's getting his car chrome delete. It's gonna make that shit even doper, and that shit's already clean as fuck. So
that's one. I got a Model Y that should be here in the next 4 to 5 days. The wide body Challenger, the Escalade. Shit, that's really all. Not really all I got. That's 4 cars.
Hell yeah.
A lot of people dream of having 8 cars, so you know.
Facts.
When you blessed, you just you thank God. You keep it pushing, keep working hard.
Yeah, so make sure you guys go, like I told you guys, make sure you guys keep adding his channel, subscribe to his channel. It's gonna be different content. You got Tesla, so you got Tesla, everything, Navigator. Man, I'm telling you guys.
It going from, I got a sedan to a muscle car that's a coupe, to a Escalade that's a huge SUV, to a Model Y that's an electric crossover. So I think I got like everything covered as far as cars. Like if you want to know, what a coupe is, what it's like to be in a Challenger, and it's not the Hellcat. It's a 392 with the SRT racing package, wide body. So I mean, it's a cool car. I got it up to about 170 on Highway 4 in Mexico. Big time. The Tesla so far, I got it up to about like 110. But the Tesla is the performance package. I figure like if I'm gonna do it after I got the Challenger, I was like, fuck, I should have got the Hellcat, but on the test drive I almost killed myself.
Right. So it's just crazy.
So know, I just said fuck it and I'm gonna go with the Scat Pack. So I got the Scat Pack. I feel like I'm outgrowing that, so I might just go try to do the red eye, trade that in, get the red eye. But I don't even know if I want muscle. I got kids and shit. So
Yeah, that's a different ball game.
it's a little bit different. If anything, a track on.
I ain't gonna lie, I like luxury shit better.
Luxury shit.
I like luxury more.
Like, you know, you can get in a Rolls Royce or, you know, a Mercedes or
shit, BMW,
or Bentley. Ain't nothing like that ride.
Facts.
And some of them are shocking. If you fuck with a BMW and you get an M,
game over.
you fuck with a Mercedes, you get an AMG.
They got so many damn options.
AMG S, you know.
Yeah, that shit's crazy, man. Yeah.
But yeah, we gonna be, me and my cousin, we're gonna be collaborating.
Well, yeah, so now
I don't really do corny shit. Everything I do is over the top. Also, my other cousin, this is clothing line right here, The Chosen Few. You can Google that. He's from Oakland, up and coming guy too. My cousin right here, Richie Mo. Follow him on Instagram, YouTube. Shit, you got a Facebook still too? You got rid of that old people shit.
I only do the Instagram, YouTube.
Yeah, and then mine is Bruce did it on all platforms. I don't fuck with Twitter and I don't fuck with Facebook. Motherfuckers be gossiping too much and shit on there. So.
And for the people that keep asking me what's that noise in the background, I gotta go fix that.
Yeah, nigga, what is that?
No, it's just that little metal. It's a metal bracket thing. It's like missing a little support thing. I just gotta.
Take that motherfucker.
No, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm putting some 3M on it.
Oh,
so
yeah,
it won't keep bouncing.
Ain't that 3M too?
Yeah.
Put that motherfucker down.
Because that whole shit is gutted out back there, so that's why it's just hitting it. It's just bouncing on metal.
This is a DVD player too, huh?
Yeah, DVD player. You got reverse light. I mean, camera, but I don't got no camera back there.
Oh, the camera you can get from Craigslist.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do that. Alright, y'all, so as you guys see, I'm in my new bright seats, man. I love these seats, man. Shout out to the homie Rich, man. He came through for me. Bought it from him. Gave me a great fucking steal price. Brand new. He only started it twice, literally. So I'm excited, man. Let me show you guys how it looks. I got out the car. Had to find a little area to go to. It's fucking hot as shit. But anyways, I want to tell you guys, thank you guys for all the support, man. We've been growing every single day. I do want to show you guys something too. I did get some carbon fiber inside the car. Let me show you what I mean. Matter of fact. So we you know, so basically my whole theme is I love carbon. I want to do all carbon. Eventually we're gonna have to get a carbon hood, which is about to come very, very soon. But let me show you what I got under the hood. Under the hood is like freaking amazing. It looks so damn good. And I'm happy. I'm really happy with this. Rich hooked me up big time. He had it for him, but he just had no real plans to really use it. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got. And oh my God, this is real legit bust down carbon, custom fit for a 350Z. And I'm excited. So I'm gonna show you guys this is real and I'm happy. So you can't tie these things. I mean, you can't bolt them too much because if you bolt them too tight, and shit crack. Let me show you what I mean. Now I got bust down carbon fiber, real legit carbon fiber, man. Shout out to the homie Rich, man. He came through for me, got the carbon fiber, and I'm hella happy because my whole thing is carbon fiber, and I'm about to fix up a lot of stuff in here in the engine bay. Also, I'm going to be replacing this. He just brought it to my attention. You can get a titanium one. It makes it just looks nicer. And eventually I'm gonna get rid of these because I'm gonna go end up turbo. But anyways, let me show you guys this. The bride seats are fucking amazing. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to take that passenger seat out of this car. This car is going to be a one-seater car, light. I want it to be light, so when I do take it to the track, it's going to be more of my track car. Of course, I got to do some stuff with the wheels. Got a lot of things I'm going to be doing, and plus there's a car show coming this weekend, so we got to get our stuff legit. If anybody needs a cover like that, the little V6 thing, let me know, man. But anyways, this looks so fucking good. As you guys can see, the car is amazing. Oh my god, I'm not gonna lie, man, like it's crazy and insane that I got this car. You guys heard me say this many times, but it's just a blessing to have this car. I had my Integra, had some cars that I always wanted to have, and it's just a blessing, especially building it this fast. You guys never seen me build any of my previous cars this fast as I'm doing with this Z. The Z had a lot of things we need to work, but the good thing about this car, and everybody that's been really looking at my car, the engine is really in good shape. So that was my main thing. There was a lot of cosmetic things I had to do, and still got to do. A few little things. Today, I know I said it before, but today I really got to focus on getting that rattle in the back of my trunk quiet. Okay, I think that's some sap on my car, on my carbon fiber wing. But anyways, I'm gonna get this sap off my car. Ugh. All right, so there was some sap on my car, but like I said, the car is coming out great. It looks good. It looks amazing. I'm just so honored, man, and with you guys supporting me, it's allowing me to really focus on my YouTube channel like full time, and I'm hella happy, man. And there's so much good things about to come. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is. I just gotta continue to support me, because with y'all support by watching my videos, leaving thumbs ups, leaving comments. Also, if you guys are not skipping the ads, I'm telling you guys gonna, the big surprise is gonna come sooner than you guys think. Only if you guys continue to keep supporting. And like I said, man, the ads are just like watching TV and you have a commercial pop up. Of course, what you do with it, you can change the channel or you can walk away. So just walk away when the thing come on. So, but I do need you guys' support, man, and I truly, truly appreciate you guys, man. You guys been holding me down, been showing me so much love, and I can't do this without you guys. But my car, it looks fucking amazing. The bride seats, bro, this is like crazy, man. I always wanted race seats, but never had them. I'm dirty because, let me show you guys. It's so nice. The car is dirty because we have to move stuff around and all that, but the seat is amazing, man. Bride seat. So what I'm going to do is, and see, I'll be telling you guys it's gutted out back there, but anyways, you see this is legit. The thing is with this, I'm gonna for sure have to order some harness. I gotta get some harness for this car, because I don't like how it feels with the regular seatbelt. It's just but the seat fits perfect for me, for my size. I'm skinnier, so I'm not a chunky guy, so this seat fits me so perfect and it feels so fucking great. I will make a video about my opinion about race seats. Like, just stay tuned for that video. I don't want to give that secret away, but it feels good. I'm loving it. I'm enjoying this car. This car has just been a blessing since I own it. It's been over a little bit of a month, and I'm happy, man. It's coming along. Getting ready for this show coming up, but this car looks badass. Like I said, I just want to show you guys the end result. Let me show you the real car. This carbon goes so fucking. Can y'all see that carbon on? That carbon, man. The carbons, that's the carbons, man. Carbon on carbon on carbon. Carbon wing, carbon this, everything. That's how I like it. This engine bay will get a lot of carbon pieces added to it. Oh my gosh.